Hello, today we're going to be doing tutorial 3, part 2 of the game that I have made in tutorial 3. So this is part 2. So this is basically just doing some upgrades on what you could do. And there's like a minus button now. And if you get the minus food, then you get a minus number. If you get the positive food, you get a positive number. But the thing is, you don't know which one's the negative and which one's the positive. But I know it, of course, because I made the game. So the purple one, in this case, is the positive one for the boy. But the pink one is the positive for the ghost. The purple one is negative for the ghost. And the pink one's negative for the boy. So I get mixed up as well, but this is quite easy. So today we're going to be making this game. So let me show you where we left off. So we left off from here, and we're going to carry on. So first of all, we need to make another costume. So we need to click on this button and click on paint. And here we are. So I'm going to make another green dot. So we have to click on this circle. And then we can put a green dot anywhere we want. So I'm just going to put a tiny one. Maybe just, if you can't see, then zoom in. Like this. There, that's enough. And after you've done that, click on this and zoom out a bit. And zoom another bit out. Come here. Whoa. And you need to put it into the middle. There. And now we will do the coding. So the coding for this is quite similar to the food coding or .1. So all we have to do is get this and put it on the sprite, well, the food too. So we just go like that and it's inside it. So when we click on this, there it is. Let me zoom in. Dun dun. But all we need to do, the green food is like poisonous for Danny. So I'm going to put it -1 for Danny. And for this food, this is poisonous to the ghost. So I'm going to put -1 for the ghost. So if we put it on, then if this gets that, then it gets 1 score. But if this gets the green food, it gets -1. So you have to get the purple food for the boy to win. But you can't control the ghost. So after that, you have to see what the score is. Also, if you want, you can, after you got me, you can put a hide button so it can hide. But then you would have to put a show button at the front. You can do that for the ghost as well. You can put a show button at the start and a hide button after stop all. So when we go like this, and it also gets the food and things, and when it touches it, all of them hide. So this is the end of this is the end of part 2 of tutorial 3, and there will be lots more tutorials coming up.